So what are you doing?
I'm really excited. I'm running the pharmacy, so I'm running around in circles, distributing pills.
No, man, sometimes it's frustrating. There's only so much we can do in this tent. Wish we had better access with transferring to hospitals and just much more efficient clinic in general, like in terms of supplies.
My whole life into perspective. I always thought I was like a socially aware person, and after this trip I'm even more socially aware. I'm so grateful for the things that I have at home. I plan to really start doing more things like this on a regular basis. It's amazing how appreciative these Haitian people are here. There was this one man who came in that I saw who just wanted his blood pressure checked and had some complaints of knee pains, and he was in his 60s, and he walking up, he had this look in his eyes, and talking to the interpreters, most of the time they're talking to the interpreter because that's the one speaking their language. This man, every time he would talk to the interpreter, he would still look at me, and he would look at me with this intensity in his eyes. And at the end of our little visit, his blood pressure was fine, and I gave him Tylenol, and that was it. Something that seemed so basic to me. This man looks me in the eye, and it was as if he had been practicing this the whole time he was in line. And he looks me in the eye, and he just says, "God bless you." And it was just so touching that they're so appreciative here of little things that we just take for granted.
Right.
And it's amazing to be able to do this and have this experience, and I hope to do it again sometime.